Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. And guys, today in this video, I want to tell you a story. Okay, now I used to have a bit of gap on my upper teeth, and all the time food used to get stuck there. It was not major, but a little one was still there, and it was a bit problematic for me. So I went to my dentist and he suggested me, rather than going for traditional braces, I should go for clear aligners, as that is gonna be invisible, they are removable, and also it helps in maintaining your oral hygiene. So he suggested me to go for clear aligners by toothsi, as they are backed by 100 plus dentists and orthodontists, and a lot of his patients saw some amazing results. So you can visit their experience center, or you can book a at-home scan, and if none of the options are available, so they send you a impression kit at home. So I'll be telling you everything in detail, how the impressions are done, what the aligners looks like, how it feels like, basically all the steps I will be covering in this video. So without further ado guys, we are quickly gonna be diving in. So guys, since I'm from Rohtak, toothsi sent me their at-home impression kit. So basically I will be giving them my teeth measurement, and they will be designing a plan for me, and then I will get my clear aligner. So let's start the whole process. So guys, this is how the impression kit looks like, and this is gonna contain the impressions, the various impressions, and you can choose according to your size of mouth. And also it comes along with the manual. In manual, all the steps are gonna be mentioned beautifully. It is gonna be a very easy way to do it, not gonna take beyond 20 minutes, and believe me, it is so much fun guys. After that, I'm going to be searching something which is going to fit my mouth. I've found one, and this one is going to be the smallest impression that I could find. Anyways, it fit fine, so we are going to be moving on to second step, and that is going to be picking up the putty. Now there are going to be two colors of putty available. One is going to be blue, the other one is going to be white. So you need to take it out and start mixing it. Also, just you need to make sure that you do not take beyond 20 seconds. It is going to be a very quick process, and also it was very satisfying to do it. So once it is done guys, you're going to get something like this. Just place it inside the impression kit, and now we are going to be starting to take the impression. Gloves are going to be in the kit as well. So even if you're not able to understand how to carry it out, I had a doctor who explained to me how to do it. Just place it inside, wait for 3 minutes, and after 3 minutes you can take it out, and then we are going to be sending this to our expert to make the clear aligners for us. And so once done guys, we are going to be doing the same thing in the lower mouth as well. It is going to be really simple process guys. It took 15 minutes I guess, and I was also guided by the expert. In no time, toothsi sent across my set of aligner. The design is so detailed and precise. Once you wear them, you will realize it's super invisible and comfortable guys. It's hard to tell even that you're wearing something. After that, you need to switch your aligners about twice a month till you complete the treatment and achieve those well-aligned teeth. On an average, this process is going to take about 6 to 10 months. Loved all the technology and precision behind every step. toothsi actually has one of the biggest aligner 3D printing ISO certified in-house labs in India. Their aligners are FDA approved and BPA free as well. So guys, you can also get your misaligned teeth straightened by toothsi. It is going to be a very simple process, and also genuinely very affordable, and going to be value for money. So click on the link which is given in the description box below to get your teeth impression kit today. Also, to get the more information, you can click on the link of website. So yes, with that we are going to be wrapping up today's video guys. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to answer it for you guys, and I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much.